No matter if it's Mother's Day, a birthday, or just a special occasion, it's hard not to want to give your mom a gift. Unfortunately, it's here that mother-in-laws tend to get the short end of the stick. Even though they're not always appreciated properly, mother-in-laws offer a whole lot to the entire family. So let's break the norm and celebrate your mother-in-law with a gift. Running out of ideas? Don't worry. Whether your mother-in-law is a foodie, homemaker, or loves self-care, we've got tons of options for you. Here, we've put together a list of our favorite gifts for mother-in-laws of 2023, along with tips and answers to some commonly asked questions. Let's get started. Number 1. Cleverfy Shower Steamers. If you're looking for a soothing, relaxing gift for your mother-in-law, this could be the one for you. Cleverfy's aromatherapy shower steamers are like bath bombs, but for the shower. Your mother-in-law can simply place the shower steamers in the shower and let the water gradually release pleasing scents throughout the whole space. Each set comes with 6 wonderful aromas, including watermelon and grapefruit. Plus, the whole set comes beautifully gift-packed in its own fancy box, sure to impress your mother-in-law and save you time and money on gift wrap, too. This 6-pack of shower melts features the sublime scents of 1x watermelon, 1x grapefruit, 1x menthol and eucalyptus, 1x peony and pear, 1x cacao and orange, and 1x lemongrass and coconut. Select one and spoil yourself. A home spa experience like no other. Our shower tablets help unwind and relax in the evenings and kickstart the day with great mood and energy. Say hello to restful sleep and energized mornings. Number 2. Burning Love Necklace. Women adore necklaces of all shapes and sizes, but the Burning Love Mother-in-Law necklace is the safest choice one can make. This elegant necklace is constructed from 925 sterling silver, which is considered especially favorable by jewelers. Not only is it durable, but it doesn't tarnish or discolor on being exposed to perfumes. Even more, this necklace is super lightweight, which makes it wearable casually, formally, and in other situations. The twisted chain is long enough to end just below the collarbone, highlighting your neck's beauty. This necklace also holds pearls between the silver braided to form a circle, adding to its elegance. Best of all, it comes fixed on a gift card with a beautiful message printed on it, which makes it a great gift for a mother-in-law. Number 3. Sassy Cup's Best Bonus Mom Ever Tumbler. Moms love caffeine, but gifting her an unlimited coffee supply would cost you a fortune, so let's stick to the basics with the Sassy Cup's Best Bonus Mom Ever Tumbler. This bright pink tumbler features the fun message Best Bonus Mom Ever and is available in 2 mom favorite colors, mint and lilac. The stainless steel cup can handle both hot and cold temperatures and can be used for tea, coffee, wine, and other beverage. This mug is also lightweight and small size, which is easy to take on the go. The inside of the mug itself is made of stainless steel and has double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps your beverage hot or cold for hours. Even better, its base is silicone, which prevents it from slipping, and you can take it on the go. The best part about this product is that it comes pre-packed in a gift wrap, saving your time and effort. Its stunning design and high-quality build are why this product has secured the top spot on our list. Number 4. KY and Bosom Butterfly Sun Catcher. If you're having trouble finding a gift for your mother-in-law, just go with a charming piece of decor like the KY and Bosom Butterfly Sun Catcher. This glass sun catcher will light up your mother-in-law's face and room with its colored glass. The frame is made of silver metal and the glass is molded in the form of a butterfly with flowers placed between the wings. Most importantly, though, is the silver, heart-shaped tag engraved with the words "God bless my mother-in-law." For your mother-in-law's convenience, this pick can be hung anywhere in the house using its suction cup and hook. Apart from brightening any home's atmosphere, this sun catcher inhales the feng shui energy from the sun and exhales it into the surrounding area. You can also use this sun catcher as a wind chime, thanks to its melodious elements. Number 5. Relissa Jewelry Dish. Gifts for your mother-in-law, like the Relissa Mother-in-Law Jewelry Dish, never disappoint, especially for someone obsessed with organizing. The best part about this quality ceramic jewelry dish is that, unlike other fits, it can come in handy. Even more, it has golden borders and a quote imprinted in black that says "Blessed to have a mother-in-law like you." For added aesthetic charm, it also has golden hearts on the base, complementing the blacks and highlighting the white. You can use this classic jewelry dish as a decoration piece as well. This tray's basic color tone matches almost anything and helps center your jewelry as the star. Whatever the occasion, you can count on this luscious gift to please your mother-in-law.